How to contact CustomCat support. CustomCat provides many ways to contact our support team, though some channels may be more appropriate for certain types of inquiries. For order-related support, you can find a support button next to each order in your processed order list. To view your processed orders, click Orders in the left navigation menu, then select your store from the drop-down list. Next, locate the order in your processed order list, either by using the search function at the top of the page or by scanning your list of recent orders. Next to each order in your list, you'll notice a link titled Support. Clicking that link will open our Merchant Support module. Additionally, from the Order Details view, you can click Report Issue to enter the module. If you're concerned about the tracking of your shipped order, select Where's My Order? Before submitting a transit-related inquiry, we ask that you please review our common list of reasons for shipping delay by clicking the link within the support module. If your issue is not addressed on the linked page, please describe your issue within the space provided and check the Request Replacement box before entering our support module. If you're experiencing an issue with an order you or your customer has received, select the Issue with Item Received option. Next, you'll select any products that are affected by an issue and click Next. On the next page, you'll select the type of issue you're experiencing from the drop-down menu, either a decoration issue, product issue, shipping issue, or another type of issue. Within each category, you'll see a list of more specific issue types. Hovering over the question mark beside each type of issue will give you a brief description of that type of problem. Select any that apply in your situation. We ask that you upload a photo when possible to aid in quick resolution of your request. Lastly, select the resolution you'd prefer from the bottom drop-down menu and click Submit. Once you click Submit, you will be sent an email notification that a ticket has been created. You can generally expect to receive a response within 1 business day for all order-related inquiries, though response time may increase during the busy holiday season. For general questions or technical support, you can email us directly at contact@customcat.com, use the contact form on our website at customcat.com/contact, or contact us through our CustomCat seller community group on Facebook. For more CustomCat tutorials, plus frequently asked questions, tips, tricks, and more, visit CustomCat.com.